Prayer for lost love to come back. Dear Lord, today I come to you to pray for that person that I love so dearly. My most cherished dream is to hold him in my arms again. I'm finding it too difficult to live without my love. Help us to strengthen our relationship and fill our hearts with love, happiness, joy, and patience for each other. Dear Lord, I pray that you may accept this simple prayer and let my love come back to me. Dear Lord, I have a very strong faith in you, and I believe that you can help me out of any situation. There is nothing too hard to you, my Lord. I'm in distress because my dear one is gone, and I miss him every single day that we have been apart. How I pray, dear Lord, that you may return him to me. Help us to rekindle the love that we share with each other. Amen. Subscribe for more prayers.